It's 50 degrees, rainy, cloudy, and we are pulling into Wausau Sound to head to Thunderbolt Marina to get our sail drive leak repaired. Of course, the first step is getting her out of the water. Third time we've done this now, so it's a little bit anticlimactic. But it's still cool to be able to see your boat coming out of the water and look at everything underneath. It's still pretty cool.
This side's had vibration.
Yeah. These will tear up your seals inside of there, that fishing line. Where'd you pick that up? Down in the Bahamas?
I have no idea.
Yeah.
Cool. That could have been anywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah. You guys don't mind being on video, do you?
It was way up inside?
Yeah, it was wrapped around the seals. Yeah. We'll see, we'll have to split those speedy sleeves and hopefully we can put another one on there. But we'll do the measurements and all that stuff when we get back to the shop because there's the actual measurement that you have to go by.
Yeah, for the tolerance.
Yep, exactly. Yep.
And it may meet the tolerance.
It may.
Where are the seals?
The seals are in here. You actually have 4 different kind of seals. You have seals, O-rings around here.
Yeah.
You see those?
Yeah.
They're still in a good shape. You can see they're not too flattened out, but obviously they will get flattened because you got to really squeeze those things in there. Mm-hmm. Then you have seals inside of here.
So those are, you have
you have
rotating and a stationary.
Yeah, nope. They're all stay put.
So it's like a lip seal.
Yep. So you got this is going to be your oil seal.
Yeah.
And that's going to be your water seal right there.
Gotcha.
So water not going in, oil not going out.
Can you tell they're damaged?
I can tell this one is a little bit. You can see right there and right there.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, so the line could have just caught that lip.
Yeah, and I think
pulled it.
I think it pulled a inside of here, inside this lip. There's supposed to be a spring that keeps this all nice and firm,
right?
Compressed around this shaft here, and it looks like that spring is also not in there. So it might have pulled all that stuff out. That's what I'm thinking. It's probably in the bucket there. But yeah.
Yeah, so that's a lip ring with a spring on the outside of it. So that wasn't in there, eh?
No, I'm pretty sure it's in the bucket. It was probably around the shaft, but I'll find it.
Cool.
But either way, the new ones come with, you know, the spring and all that stuff. But
do you guys need oil?
No, we brought it.
Okay.
Yep, we brought it.
And is that what is that, a 30 weight?
That is a 30 weight. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay.
Yep.
Got some gnats there, Don?
Hey, mosquitoes, gnats.
It's Georgia.
Came with the rain.
It's Georgia.